While everyone knows Walt Disney created one of the happiest places on earth, did you know that his happiest place was Carolwood's barn? This comes from his lifelong passion for railroading, which is on full display at the Walt Disney Carolwood Barn in Griffith Park. Visiting is limited because it's only open to the public for 4 hours every third Sunday of the month. But a visit is relatively quick. You'll only need about 15 to 30 minutes to check out everything. Nevertheless, the site does a great job showcasing Walt's love for railroading, with plenty of on-site volunteers ready to answer any questions you might have about his passion. While the Carolwood Barn sits right in the middle of the site now, it was originally built at Disney's home in Holmby Hills, California, as a workshop that helped him operate his very own Carolwood Pacific Railroad, which circumnavigated his property. The barn was eventually relocated to the LA Live Steamers lot in 1999. Inside it, you'll see many of Walt's personal items and some of the trains that he worked on. Our kids especially love the working model railroad layout, which takes up a good-sized chunk of that barn. The second structure surrounds a combine car that once operated inside Disneyland, and it's similar to one that Walt worked on as a kid when he was growing up. And inside that building, you'll see exactly how he worked his love for trains into Disneyland. Normally from there, you can continue past the combine and Ollie Johnson's station to ride the 1/8 scale trains operated by the Los Angeles Live Steamers Railroad Museum. But sadly, the trains weren't running on our visit, so we plan to come back and check it out soon. Have a great one.
Thanks for watching our show.